Hello everyone! For today's video, I tried following Coolirpa's flared pants because she is one of the reason why I started sewing, and I learned that old clothes can be transformed into new ones. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is a trouser that I will turn into a flared pants. So first step, mark how long your pants you want to be. And then cut it with a rotary cutter or a scissor. And same in the other side with the same length. The pants is too wide, so I need to fit it in my legs. But if ever your material is trouser too, don't fit it too much so you can still move your legs comfortably. And now I just pulled the fabric and marked to where it fits me. And then I just trace the mark and copy the markings in the other side. And sew it with a straight stitch. The pants is too wide in my waistline, so I have to fit it more. First thing to do is seam rip the center back. And then remove the belt holder in the center back. And then I sew a straight stitch 1 inch away from the original seam line. And the rest sew everything in the same place. Moving on into the flared part of the pants, make 4 triangles from the scrap that we cut before. Now seam rip the seam line of the bottom of the pants by using the length of the triangle. And same in the other side. And then place here the triangle and sew it with a top stitch. And just follow the process in every side of the pants. And after that, hem the bottom of the pants by folding it twice and sew it with a straight stitch. And this is the final clear